Welcome back to the Roy Garage. On the last episode, we tacked this piece of steel in there. Now we're going to work on this piece and this piece. What do you think, Jake?
I think that looks pretty good.
Looks good. Let's cut out the other one. Make the other.
Yeah, let's go over to this side.
Let's go do. Yeah, let's go do the other side.
Let's see what it looks like.
Let's go do. Oh, you want me?
Go to the other side.
Just cut two of them out.
Boy, that actually looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Let's trace it.
Trace it?
Trace it and cut one out.
All right.
Don't do this one.
Why?
Because this is our transmission tunnel template.
Oh, you should probably put
You can tell by the way it is.
You should probably label it, Jake.
It is.
Because right.
It is labeled.
If you want to watch this firewall build from the beginning, you can click the link in the upper right.
This is our one that's going on this side. This one we made that's going to go on that side. So let's go test fit it and then make sure there's no minor adjustments we need to make before we go cut some steel.
You see this right here? It's pretty good. But just what I suspect. Oh man, oh boy. Are you sure I made this out of the same piece of cart? Looks good. I just got to cut this little right here and go straight through, Lee. That's pretty good. Just need to add that 1/4 inch back on like you said.
Yeah, perfect.
Yep.
Sounds good. Let's cut her out of some steel.
Sounds good, yeah. Sounds good, yeah. Let's cut out steel. All right, guys, we got one traced out right here. Another one traced out right here. We're going to go ahead, get this cut quick with our grinder. And hopefully they get dialed in. Might have to make a few adjustments. Let's see what we got here, Leroy skis. Oop. If I get in like that, and then I pull this back here a little bit like this, that's not bad. Are we sticking out a lot? No. No?
Beautiful.
I don't know why I can't get up in there. Like if we took a little bit off this corner.
That looks good right there.
Looks good out here.
Does it?
It does. Looks amazing.
Feel good?
Looked good.
If you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button.
That's stacked into place, Leroy.
That looks good. Should we do the other side now?
Let's have a word from a sponsor. When we decided we wanted to put up a new storage building, potentially future shop, we had one big problem: 25 stumps. Our solution? Today's sponsor of the video, MTX Excavation. They showed up with the right equipment and the experience to make easy work of what would have taken us forever. In just a short amount of time, the entire area was cleared and ready for the next step of our project. So if you're looking for excavation, stump removal, land clearing, or site prep in Minnesota, South Dakota, Iowa, and Nebraska, give MTX Excavation a call. Let's get back to live action.
Huh?
Over there?
I think it's on the table over there or something. That looks amazing out here. Go for it. Is that it? It looks amazing.
Our mission here at the Roy Garage is to inspire people to start wrenching on their projects again. One way that we're trying to help you do that is we've developed the Roy Garage Project Planner to help you go further faster. We'll add a link for more details in the upper right.
All right, we got her tacked in there. We got this piece tacked in. Jake was a little weld happy, so he did a little welding. Now it's time to take a look at our LS that we rebuilt, our transmission and our transfer case. What we need to do to those to get them ready to go back in to the Dodgeball so we can start driving. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'll catch you next time. The Roy Garage. I don't care what the internet says about you, Jake.
Yeah, I know.